welcome to my channel. Today's video is such a fun video for me. This is all about the trend that you've probably been seeing all over the place, especially on social media. This is all about iridescent and glitters look. It's really bringing back the fun in makeup in a natural way. I'm gonna show you some natural ways to bring the fun back to your makeup. So if you're interested, please keep watching. First, I want to show you something that you can change your look, your everyday makeup look that is clean and simple, and by just changing the finish of the products or just adding a little bit of the glow on the cheek or the eyes, or just adding a little bit of glitter, you can bump up your natural everyday look to this whole magical trend. The first product that I'm gonna use is the Natasha Denona Diamond and Plus palette in Citrus. I already have foundation on my face. I use the new Marc YouthFul-Look 24 hours. I already did an impression of this foundation. I will put the link in the description box down below so you can check it out. I will put every product that I use on my face today in the description below so you can check them out. First, I'm gonna go into the cream shades right here, and I'm just gonna apply it with my damp beauty blender and just apply it on the high part of your cheek. Give it and have a C formation. This cream glow base gives you a translucent lid from within glow. See, it's really gives you that really natural glow. It's not glittery. Gonna give it a little bit on my nose, the bridge of my nose, and you can apply it everywhere that you want to have your highlighter. It's so beautiful. It's not glittery. It gives you like a wet look. I like, that's why it's just the fact that it's not glittery. Sometimes when you use highlighter, it gives you so glitter, like you have glitter speck on your face, and I don't like that. And next, I'm gonna go to the cream blush. I'm still using my damn beauty blender. And you just apply it on your cheek. And it's just melt into your skin. It just blends beautifully and melt it on your skin. It gives you a wash of color. I like working with cream products because sometimes if you go a little bit heavy-handed with your product, you can just go back to the other end of your beauty blender and just blend it out. You can just keep it like this, and it's good for everyday makeup. It's really natural, it's clean and simple, and yeah, you still get that glowing nature, like a healthy glow. Then you can bump it up to the next level of magic by adding the powder highlighter. I'm gonna use the diamond powder on this palette. By adding this over your cream highlighter, it's like bump your highlight up to the next level. It's like adding diamond on your face, and it's so beautiful. I'm just gonna get it on my brush, and I'm just gonna dab it on the high part of my cheek. It's just, this product is so strong. I don't like to sweep it back and forth, because if you sweep it back and forth, it's gonna get out of control really quickly. And by just tapping this, I can control how much go onto my face, and I can control where it go. You see, this one, it just the cream highlighter, and this one is really glowing. It still gives you a wet diamond looking glow. I'm gonna do the same thing. Just tap it. Just a little bit on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid bow. What I love about this product is that I can just use this one and I can just use my finger and just get a little bit on my finger, and I can tap it on the lid. This can go over any eyeshadow that you have, or you can just use it alone by itself without any eyeshadow. It gives you a wet, glowy look. It is a super easy way to bump up your eyes look by adding just a little bit touch of magic. It has such a pretty effect. See, this side has the diamond powder and this side does not. It's natural, it's so easy, and it does not take a lot of products. Now, to bump it up, if you want to go out after work, you can really do that with just simple trick. What I do is I use my Tarte 4-finger pen shadow palette. It looks like this. Let me swatch you one swatch. This is Sailor Delight. This is Sailor Delight. And with this Stargazer, I'm gonna use the silver. I'm just gonna apply it on top. You see, this one does not have any the top part. This one has a little bit silver on top, so it gives me a gold burgundy look. And with this, you can just use your finger. So I'm just gonna use my finger. Just go straight to the pan and just tap this. You see the difference? I'm gonna do the same thing for the other eyes. Now I'm gonna take this silver from the Stargazer and I'm just gonna apply it in the middle of my eyelid. I'm not gonna go there. Just give me a halo effect. Now you can do it like that and go out. So you see, with just these two palettes, I can bump up from my very natural, easy, clean, simple, everyday makeup look, and I can bump it up to have it from day to night so easily and effortlessly. I'm gonna apply this shade right here, and I'm gonna use my Morphe M23, and I'm just gonna run it along my lower lash line. As you can see, with just these two palettes, you can do so much with it. You can change your look from day to night, give you like a very natural glowy. Now if you have long, thick lashes, you can just keep it simple like that and just ready to go out. And just apply another thin layer of the mascara. Then you're good to go. But if you don't, now lashes are on, you can change your lipstick, or you can just apply a little bit of gloss. I'm using the Dose of Color just my type. And just like I did like earlier, I'm gonna apply the Glow Extreme. Just dab it. To set it all off, to keep everything in control and to enhance your highlight, I'm gonna use my MAC Fit Plus. Here is my nighttime glitter and glow look. That's it for my video today. I hope you like this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comment down below what other look or what other product that you want me to try on. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!